Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about how to manage stress at workplace. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. Stress is one of the most daunting obstacles to employee engagement in the modern workplace. Studies estimate that stress costs U.S. businesses an estimated $300 billion annually, and the workplace has been identified as the #1 source of stress for American workers. Work stress has significant health consequences that range from relatively benign to potentially serious. While stress at work is common, finding a low-stress job is hard. A more realistic approach is to adopt effective coping strategies to reduce stress at your current job. Tips and techniques for better mental health. Mental health refers to your overall psychological well-being. It includes the way you feel about yourself, the quality of your relationships, and your ability to manage your feelings and deal with difficulties. Anyone can experience mental or emotional health problems, and over a lifetime, many of us will. 1 in 5 Canadians lives with mental health or substance use problems. These tips can help you elevate your mood, become more resilient, and enjoy life more. Eat well. Eat a well-balanced, nutritional diet and cut back on alcohol, drugs. More and more research is coming out by the year associating diet to one's mental well-being. Poor diets and unhealthy eating can obviously affect your physical health, which may in turn negatively impact your mental health. But even unhealthy food itself can directly make you feel worse. Eating a healthy and well-balanced diet containing fats, fiber, and nutrients will help you manage your stress and anxiety levels, improve your sleep, positively impact your ability to concentrate, and help you feel better in general. Another key to improving your mental well-being is cutting back on excessive alcohol and/or drug consumption. Both of these substances can affect the way your brain feels and works, harming your ability to think, feel, create, and even make decisions. Get enough sleep. Make a concerted effort to go to sleep at a regular, early time. Sleep is linked with numerous health-related consequences, both physical and mental. While some psychological or psychiatric issues may cause sleep problems, not getting enough sleep itself can also exacerbate pre-existing conditions such as depression, stress, and anxiety. Getting enough hours of sleep consistently, every night, and getting to bed early or at a reasonable hour is a smart strategy towards living a healthy, happy life. Keep active. Commit to some form of regular, consistent exercise. Much like diets and sleep, exercise or other physical activity impacts both your body and your mind. Keeping active, whether it's playing sport, going for long walks, practicing yoga, going to the gym, or running, will help lower stress and anxiety levels, as well as help you improve your self-esteem. Being active and exercising isn't easy for everyone. If you struggle, try motivating yourself by running with a friend or listening to your favorite music podcasts while going on a long walk. Just keep moving. Limit media and technology use. Try reducing your amount of technology use and media consumption on a daily basis. You might not consider yourself addicted to social media or your smartphone and other devices, but it is often much more difficult to limit or reduce media consumption and technology use than you'd expect. The impacts of excessive and prolonged social media and other media consumption can be harmful. Even overconsumption of news can negatively impact your mental well-being. There's no need to cut it out completely from your life and go cold turkey, but try limiting when or how you use it. Here are some specific pieces of advice to help you with this tip. Keep your phone out of your bedroom so it's not the last thing you check before going to sleep or the first thing you look at in the morning. Don't use your phone half an hour before bed or for the first half an hour from waking. Put your phone down on another table during meal times where you can't reach it. Try challenging yourself by going a whole day without checking social media. Focus on friends. Make an effort to reconnect and socialize with friends. Connecting with others is an important part of living a balanced life. Socializing with genuine friends who you enjoy being around will help you feel better by staving off loneliness and negative feelings. You can find an activity that you enjoy, such as completing a puzzle or playing a board game, or you can simply catch up and chat. It's up to you, but there's no need to go it alone. Humans are social creatures, so focus on your friends. Do something fun. Actively set yourself some time to do something you enjoy. The possibilities are endless, but it's very important for your emotional well-being that you spend a bit of time dedicated to doing something you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's just 5 minutes a day or a bit longer, Having a bit of fun can help alleviate stress and focus your mind on something that brings you genuine joy. There are also activities that can bring you happiness that you might not expect or normally associate with being fun, such as donating old clothes to charity or doing some volunteer work. Set yourself an exciting, fun new challenge. At first glance, you might think this is a rather trite suggestion, but the truth is that setting yourself an exciting yet challenging task is an uplifting and engaging activity. Learning something new is a positive stimulant that will help improve your mental health. Make sure it's something you want to do but have never tried before. You could bake something you've never baked before, write a new type of story, learn a new skill like woodwork, try a new form of art, or go for a hike on a new trail. Remember that this is just for you. You're not learning a new skill to kickstart a career change, impress others, or even to become a master in this new area. It should be fun, stimulating, and exciting for you. Practice mental health exercises. Small exercises can make a big difference. This tip is a little more focused on improving your mental health directly. Engaging actively in mental health improvement might seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Small steps can make a really huge difference over time. Choose 1 or 2 mental health activities that appeal to you and schedule them regularly and consistently in your schedule. Some examples include meditation, journaling, stretching, laugh, dance, listen to music, see the sun. Make sure to spend some time in natural sunlight. This one is a little less obvious. It's easy to move from house to car to office to car to house on repeat. Getting exposure to sunlight will elevate your serotonin levels, a hormone which can help boost your mood, increase feelings of calm, and improve your focus. Spend some time outside regularly and soak up the reinvigorating rays of sunlight to help improve feelings of depression, stress, and anxiety. Ask for help if you need it. Everyone needs help from time to time. There is nothing wrong with seeking help for your mental health and well-being. Whether you just want to confide in a trusted friend or feel the need to engage the services of a professional, seeking help if you need it is the smart, mature, healthy thing to do. Unfortunately, our society still carries a bit of a stigma in regards to mental health and seeking help, but this is changing. People are beginning to understand not just how prevalent mental health issues are, but how important and normal it is to seek help. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.